Good morning and welcome to Vlogmas Day 12. It's 7:30 in the morning and I'm headed to a massage therapy appointment. I thought a car was coming. I have a very chill day lined up. I have a half day of work, so I'm gonna do a little bit of a apartment reset that I didn't do on the weekend, and then do a little mini haul of the two things I bought from Sephora. And then we'll see where the rest of the day takes us. I think I'm gonna go to Dollarama and restock a few things. We'll see each other later. I'm going to get some breakfast. I'm craving a bagel, cream cheese, and lox. So let's do that. Didn't see this one a couple of days ago. It was a big Porsche one. Oh, there's a sleigh too. Oh, it has a little teddy bear inside. That's cute. I think I'm going early enough today that I'm not gonna catch a bunch of like people trying to do photo shoots in it. Here's another one. No one to take my picture though. Half days when you take the morning off are great, because if you try and take the afternoon off, you just end up working until 4 and you don't take the afternoon off. Okay, time to go home and have my bagel. Yeah, I gotta handle this, and this. How does a Tuesday apartment reset sound? Sounds pretty good to me. I'm gonna put a show on and just do that. Oh, I also think I'm gonna wash this, so I gotta do the dishwasher too, but these I think are gonna go in for the first time, the cups anyway, because I'm gonna try and see what I can do with these. I just love how the stony white ended up on the inside. My goodness. Also, I turned this into a jewelry thing already, so I'm gonna put these away. Progress, and more progress. I've been typing away for the last 2-ish hours because I've been working on a very large file of 124 questions that were sent to me late last night, and by late I mean like 9 p.m., which is kind of late, but I need to get them done today. Also, my computer's doing these phantom number 8s out of nowhere, and I don't know why. Like, I just stood up and I'm not clicking or touching anything, and it's just typing the number 8. I must have a sticky key somewhere because I don't really know. Yeah, I've been typing a bunch of stuff for this document. That's basically it. So just like crazy. I'm just listening to a TV show because I know all the answers to these questions, but I have to summarize them for people. So yeah. I love this mug. It's such a festive one. It was like, I caved and I bought a holiday mug, but come on. I got this one last year too. So I don't think I've actually used it since last Christmas time, but it does sit in our tea cabinet. Well, that didn't glide in a nice visual way. I'm not sure what happened.
Oh, is that your camera?
Yeah.
Is that a GoPro?
It is.
Do you like it?
I do. I love it actually, and they're not as expensive as other cameras.
How much does that cost?
Like less than $300, $400, I think. Yeah. And dual cash, so it's like easy to keep them.
Yeah.
Yeah. No, I'd recommend. It's very friendly.